Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to withdraw your dividend payments in Trading 212. So let's get started. First off, open your Trading 212 app, and now you will be on the home page. From your home page, click this pie chart icon in the bottom left corner. Now, when you're on your portfolio tab, you can scroll down and go to pies. So the process is same for both pie investments, so grouped investments, or just individual stocks that pay out dividends. So in this example, I will go to pies. Then click on your pie or any pie that you have created, and scroll down until you see dividends. So here you can see if your auto reinvest is on and off. You can see your total gained dividends from this pie. You can see what's reinvested, and you can see how much you have in cash. But how do you withdraw this gained dividends right here? So the way that they show this is actually a bit confusing. If you click on dividends, so if you read this small text right here, it says that all of your dividend payments, once you receive them, are automatically credited to your free funds. So what are your free funds? Well, if you go back and click on your balance, you can see that your free funds are the funds that you don't have currently invested. So those are the funds that you can use for investing or just withdraw back onto your bank account. So to sum it all up, you don't have to worry about withdrawing your dividend payments. They're just automatically credited to your free funds. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to support the channel, you can check my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description. Thank you for watching.